Hello guys, welcome back to Salesforce Anytime channel. Did you ever consider giving access to your Apex classes to different profiles or permission sets inside your org? If yes, then how do you do that? So I'm going to show you how you can actually set up access to different profiles for given Apex classes, so that it can be more secured in terms of who can execute those Apex classes in user mode. So in cases where you wanted to give restrict the profiles or permission sets which can run those Apex classes, you got to go to the Apex classes inside your org and then open the Apex class, and you could see I've opened it on the different screen for you. And once you open it, there's a security option here. I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, you can see only one profile right now has been enabled for this Apex class. So this is the API only user. And if I wanted to add any other profiles to this Apex class access, then I can just search it here and I can add it here. And once I add it, I'm going to save it. Same thing, if I want to remove any profile from here for this Apex class, I'm going to select that profile and click on this left hand side arrow, which is going to remove the access for this Apex class, and I'm going to save it. So this is okay for updating the access for one single Apex class, and if you have multiple Apex classes, then you have to do it using opening each of the Apex class and do that for each whatever profiles or permissions you want to give access to. They have to open each of the Apex class and do the same exercise. So what if you wanted to, or you could do this for multiple Apex classes on a single screen, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So for this purpose, I have logged into PackMagic's tool, and once I logged into this using OAuth 2.0, which is secure login, and once I log into this, then I'm going to go to the permissions and then Apex class access. So you can see I have opened this menu, and it's going to show me the Apex classes inside my org in the screen, and you can select the Apex classes for which you want to give or remove the permissions. And then I'm going to click on the add button. Once I add it, I can see in the right hand screen, and once I have it there, then I can click on get Apex class permissions, so which is going to get me all the permissions right now those Apex classes have. So you can see these are the permission set groups, permission sets and profiles for which I have access to these Apex classes. So you could see the component name, also the class names for which the access is there. And if I want to edit this access, I can just click on update flow, update access button, and once I click on this, I can select the profiles or permission sets for which I want to update. So in this case, for example, I'm going to show you these two profiles, minimum access Salesforce and API only profile, and I'm going to click on add profiles. And same way I can add multiple permission sets also to this screen to give access to the Apex classes I have selected. So now I'm going to click on the Apex get Apex class access, so that it can get access to these two profiles. So since I just wanted to update these two profiles, I selected these two, and now you can see the second class does not have the permissions. So if I wanted to add the permissions to this second class for these two profiles, and I'm just going to click on the checkboxes which will give the access, and I'm going to click on update Apex class permissions. So now you can see the access has been added for both of the profiles for the new permissions we selected. So if you want to verify, just go back, and then you could see the new access should be added here for the new class. So API only and minimum access. If you want to triple verify it again, so you just click on update button again. You got already these two profiles selected. Get the Apex class permissions again, and now you should be able to see that this has been updated already. So, and same way you can remove the access if you want to on a single screen. So that way, and then update, click on update button again, so that will remove the access and update it. So this is the way you could do this, like for multiple Apex classes and for multiple selected profiles and permission sets on a single screen. You can do this, so without having to open each of the profile or each of the Apex class separately. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you have any feedbacks on the comments area, or submit your feedback in this help feedback section. Thank you, Mahesh, for watching this video. Thanks. Bye.